So right now we are here at the place. We are actually shooting a manufacturing firm. Here is my team that's gonna help out.
Hey, hi!
Say hi! Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, the channel that brings you the best tips, strategies and tools for building your profitable online business. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you about collaboration. I did mention a few times on a few of my videos about collaboration. For those of you who are doing job servicing like myself, there are some services that you can't really make it online. So what you can do is you can collaborate with professionals and bundle up your deal. A very good example is if for myself, I'm doing a video editing service, but I have a client that need me to do a shooting for them. In this case, I can collaborate with videographer or the photographer. So recently, one of my students, her name is Kimby, she received an inquiry on her video editing service that she posts online. The client needed a video editing service as well as filming a corporate video. So she came to me and asked me if I know any friends that is doing videography. So I did ask a few of my friends to quote me, but apparently the prices are pretty expensive. So then I asked her more about this client. So what kind of filming that this client needs? I did a few video shoots before on events. So I gave some of my videos that I've made previously and sent it to my student Kimby so that she can send it to her clients. So after watching the video that I have created, he wants to meet up with us. We managed to clinch the deal, and because the whole filming didn't need a lot of equipment and I do have those basic equipment to shoot the corporate video that the client needs, we went ahead to proceed with the deal. The first thing we did was to visit the factory. What the client needs is just to film each and every process of the manufacturing facility. So in this case, my student Kimby, she is a job servicer and she engaged me as a freelancer to help her to shoot the corporate video. So I will charge Kimby for the full filming service, and after that, she will have to mark up herself. Upon meeting the client, we have discussed and also planned out the whole process. What I did was, when I was at the manufacturing facility, I took picture of every single station that I need to take video. So after that, I bring all the pictures home and I will arrange them and I will do a pre-filming planning. Pre-filming planning is very important. It helped me to plan my filming in advance. Today is one day before the actual filming day. So I'm going to pack my stuff for the shooting tomorrow. I'll be bringing my digital camera. This is the Canon EOS M50, my lighting kit, my gimbal, and some extra tripods just in case. So yeah, these are all the cable, the PowerPoint. Yep, so that's all. I won't be bringing any mics. The commercial shoot that I'm going to film tomorrow doesn't require any sound, so it's a muted video. So I'm very excited for tomorrow's shooting because it is like my very first official commercial shoot. Yep, I've done shoot before, but mostly on events. Yep, so yeah, see you tomorrow. So we are done shooting. It took us about 2 hours. How long?
Yeah, about 1.5.
1.5 hours.
No,
2 hours already.
Yeah,
2 hours 15 minutes. About 2 hours. So yeah, so everything was quite smooth. So the machines, everything, and also the staff here they are very cooperative. We want to design the whole video, so we are waiting for the GM to kind of brief us what he wants in the video. So how do you feel, Kimbi? Your first project.
Excited.
So okay,
Yeah.
so since we are here now, maybe I will just give you a bit of the introduction. Okay, so how we got this deal. Kimbi, she is a job servicer. She listed her video editing service on a marketplace, and she got this inquiry asking for video editing and also videography, so shooting, filming. The moment you receive this, what do you do?
I was like nervous as well because we never do videography services.
So you said yes to him, is it?
But I still answer yes, and quickly like call me to ask whether she has experience doing any video shooting. That's where we started to collaborate, and then I proposed back to the client, and we have our first meeting last week to go through the whole briefing, like how they want to video shoot the whole place.
Without second thought, she just say yes to the client and say that yeah, she does videography. So after that, she faster go and find a videographer. So she asked me whether do I know any friends that does filming. So I did ask my friend, but I think the cost was quite high. Yeah, but it was quite high. So actually, then I sent my a video on event shooting. So I did a few event shoots. So I sent that video to her so that she can send it to the client and see whether it is okay if this kind of quality or this kind of video you are looking for. So then yeah, the client say yes. So just come over and just meet up. So that here we are. We have half of the project is almost done, so now it's left with video editing only. On the day of filming, everything went so smoothly, and it took us less than 3 hours to complete the whole shooting. Basically, we covered about 4 levels of factory, and it involves many different kind of machines. So it was a very good experience because I have never filmed a factory before. So this is my very first time. Since this whole video was shot by myself, I also offered the service of editing the whole video as well, because the whole thought process I have thought it through, and I have also discussed with the client, and I understand exactly what the client wants. So it is best for me to do the editing as well. Plus what the client needs is pretty basic, and I'm sure that I'm able to do it with my own editing software. I hope this inspires you to start collaborating with other freelancers, especially those freelancers that are not online, which they are offline. So this is a very good example. And because sometimes you might also need a photographer. So if you have any inquiries that came in other than the services that you have listed, you need to ask around and find other freelancers to help you out. So throughout this shoot, the only thing that I bought was a lighting, because some of the areas of the factory was pretty dim. So before the actual shooting day, I went to buy a lighting. Most of the scenes are really close up. I just need to focus on the machine. So it's only directed to one small area. This is definitely a game changer for me. I might be listing more videography services. The reason why I want to take up this job is because I'm always into videography and photography, and I want to expand this part of my passion into another business stream, because this is something that I really like, because it's like creative side of me that I like to film and I like to take photographs. So I'm really very glad that I said yes to my student Kimbi. Yeah, so if you guys are in Singapore and you want to look for somebody to film to shoot for you, and it's just using very basic equipment, and I can do the editing for you as well, you can come and PM me, and you can find me on my Instagram. So my Instagram is supermomtv. So all my handles are supermomtv. So till the next time, I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.